They say, dream big, work hard, and stay humble. And one day, success will find you. Today's story is about Ethan Parker, a man who proved that no dream is too big when your heart is grounded in humility. Ethan was a young man from a small town who had come to the city searching for a better life. But the only job he could find was as a janitor in a large corporate office. Every night while mopping the floors, he would look at the glass cabins where the executives worked during the day and whisper to himself, "One day, I'll be in there, not cleaning, but leading." His co-workers laughed at him. "Dreaming won't change anything, Ethan," they'd say. But Ethan just smiled and replied, "Maybe not today, but one day." After finishing his shift, while everyone else went home, Ethan stayed back in the office break room, studying old business books and watching online lectures on the office computer. He slept only 4 hours a night. He saved every extra dollar he could, enrolling in online business courses. He didn't have fancy clothes, but he carried something much greater: determination. And no matter how tired he was, he greeted everyone with respect and humility, from the guard to the CEO. He believed that being humble doesn't make you small. It keeps you grounded while you rise. One morning, the company's CEO dropped a file in the lobby. Ethan quickly picked it up and noticed a mistake in one of the business reports, something he had learned about in his online classes. Nervously, he mentioned it to the CEO. Surprised by his observation, the CEO asked, "You're the janitor. How did you notice this?" Ethan replied with a smile, "Sir, I may clean the floors, but I never stopped learning from what's on the desks." The CEO was impressed. He asked Ethan to join the operations team as an assistant. From that day, Ethan's journey truly began. Ethan worked harder than ever, arriving before everyone, leaving after everyone. He treated every task, big or small, with the same dedication. He didn't gossip, didn't brag, he just worked, learned, and helped others. Over the years, promotions followed, from assistant to manager, from manager to director, and after a decade, Ethan Parker became the CEO of the same company where he once cleaned the floors. At his first press conference, a journalist asked, "Ethan, what's the secret behind your success?" He smiled and said, "3 things. Dream big, work hard, and stay humble. Because dreams give you direction, hard work gives you progress, and humility keeps you human." Friends, success isn't about where you start. It's about how you move forward. So, dream without limits, work without excuses, and no matter how high you rise, never forget the ground you came from. My friends, that's all for today's story. If you felt inspired, please like this video and comment, "I'll stay humble." And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more motivational stories every week. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep working hard, and keep your heart humble.